In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to skillfully manage your communications using Outlook or Teams with Copilot enabled. These tools are fantastic for efficiently managing your emails and messages, especially when you're dealing with business correspondence, like keeping in touch with suppliers. Let's delve into how you can use these platforms to their fullest potential to streamline your professional communications. First, let's open Outlook or Teams with Copilot enabled. You want to make sure that Copilot is set up and ready to assist you. This feature is a great asset, acting as a virtual assistant that helps automate and enhance your tasks. With it being enabled, you're ready to begin drafting professional emails or messages for your suppliers. When drafting these emails, aim for clarity and professionalism. Start with a polite greeting and address your supplier appropriately. Clearly state the purpose of your email. Make sure your language is clear and with a professional tone. You can rely on Copilot to suggest wording or catch any errors you might have missed. Don't forget to include any essential details necessary for your message, such as product names, order numbers, or specific queries. Conclude your email with a courteous closing like best regards or sincerely, followed by your name and contact information. Copilot can help ensure your closing is just right, maintaining that polished and consistent tone throughout your message. Once your emails are drafted and sent, you'll want to schedule follow-ups and reminders. This ensures you stay on top of communication and don't miss any opportunities for further discussion or clarification. In Outlook or Teams, you can set reminders for when you need to check back with a supplier if there's been no response. Simply create a task or a calendar event for follow-up, and Copilot can suggest optimal times based on your schedule, so nothing slips through the cracks. It's all about maintaining that seamless line of communication without the hassle of remembering every detail manually. Keeping track of your communication history is crucial to efficient and effective correspondence. Outlook and Teams offer features that allow you to monitor your messages and interactions over time. In Teams, simply go to the chat or message history to review previous interactions. In Outlook, search function lets you dig through your email archives quickly. Copilot comes into play here too. It helps organize and retrieve detailed histories effortlessly, which is invaluable when you need to reference past agreements or discussions. By staying organized and leveraging the capabilities of Copilot, you can ensure your communication with suppliers is both professional and efficient.